Oh, there we go again. I got an audience. My missus is going to take the peeve out of me while I'm doing this. Yeah. So notice that these were cracked here. Alright. And they latch into these here, here and there. And that one's different. And then that's the center one, obviously. And the top and bottom are the same. Now, if they crack and whatever, you don't get your door not engage onto that. So we don't want that when we're heading west. So I'm going to replace them. So they cost me $32.50 for the three of them at BTC at Palmerston in Darwin. Just a good shop that you ever nearby and you want anything, go there. Anyway, so just unscrew them, screw them on, and that's about it. There you go, just a nice short one for you. And hopefully that'll keep our door attached to the mainframe while we travel to Western Australia as such. So anyway, everyone can unscrew stuff and screw it back on. If I can't, you can. And my missus down there taking the peeve out of me. Alright, bye.